Hey guys, here's an update on the 200QX blade custom frame. Redoing this frame with a couple of things in mind. I made this top plate a little bit different to manage wires, for better wire management, because I noticed on the other one it was just a straight piece. So now I made these slots. If you look close, now the wires can be fed in these little slots and helps keep it away from the props, which I found was a big deal with the other way. And these props are really close, so you got several spots to put the wires in, on the sides, in the front, so basically wherever you want. This top plate is G10, but it came out to 42 grams with the way it is now. It's 16 thickness on the top plate, and obviously the arms and the bottom plate are still 1/8" solid carbon fiber, real rigid carbon fiber, not cheap stuff. No fiber reinforced. It's 100% carbon fiber. And I lightened up the arms a little bit by putting these holes around the motors that had no effect on the strength. So the frame came out lighter than the previous one. And then the bottom frame design changed a little bit to eliminate some of the material on there that was wasting space. And I kind of made it conform to the control board, as you can see on there. Still using 1/2" standoffs, and the board fits in here without touching either way. So I designed it because I just stick the board right on the bottom plate here. I'm not screwing it on there. I may include some holes in there for later for drilling. I'm sorry, for mounting the board that way, but I like just sticking it on there, so it's real easy. The wires will fit the same way as for the motor. They'll go around the standoffs. What I did do, I made these holes here, front and back. Now what this is going to be, I'm going to cut some clear acrylic or poly, and they're going to be inserts, so you could put your lights inserted into the plastic, and then you'll have your light cord, orientation on here instead of bare light glaring you in the eye like it's done for me. So it'll be a piece that'll kind of it'll fit in there, and then the light will just go in there. But that's it for that. I can't believe it. The frame turned out to about 42 grams the way you see it. These are aluminum anodized screws, top and the bottom. And also I included these extra holes around the sides here. That's if you want to add another set of standoffs and a top plate. Right now it'll fit a Mobius and a 9.95 nanotech on there without any problem, as I showed the other videos. But if you want to add another plate on top for like maybe your FPV camera, you can do that by just adding 2 more standoffs on top and adding maybe 10 grams or something and still have decent weight. But I wanted to keep it light and strong. I mean, it's pretty rigid. I mean, this 1/8" carbon fiber is really stiff. So, but that's it there now. I like the way it turned out. It's lighter. I'm going to get the motors mounted in, and then all the electronics on there, give it a fly. But it's 7, 8 grams lighter than the previous version. So, but I think I'm going to stay with this one here. I think it's done. The only thing I'm going to do in the future is make it foldable arms. That's about it. But this is the Metalhead Typhoon for the 200QX frame quad. So Metalhead Typhoon.